Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a very easy but very beautiful summer wreath using items from the Dollar Tree. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. For this wreath, you will need an 18-inch wire wreath frame, like this one. I got this one from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need a bow. I made this one, but you can buy one or you can make your own. There's so many videos on YouTube on how to make bows. So the decision is yours. You're also going to need flowers of your choice. I chose the colors pink and yellow and white, and I removed the stem. These are also from Dollar Tree. I also got this love sign to add a positive statement to my wreath. With everything that's going on in the world today, we all need a little love. So first I'm going to start by attaching my bow, and wherever I attach my bow, that's going to be the center of my wreath. Next, I'm going to see how I'm going to arrange my flowers. Feel free to create your own pattern. You can glue them however you like. I'm going to use my hot glue and start gluing my flowers all the way around the frame. Now I'm going to take my love sign and I'm going to glue it to the tail of my bow using hot glue. This is what my wreath looks like, but I'm not loving those green leaves sticking out of the wreath, so I'm going to remove those and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here's the finished product. My wreath is looking really beautiful. I removed all those green leaves that I did not like, and I added a few more flowers because, as you know, when working with this wire frame, you have a lot of gaps in between. So I made sure that none of the gap was showing, and my wreath looks gorgeous now. All you have to do is make sure you have enough flowers to fill the entire wreath. Alright my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button and share it with your friends, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.